Much better. And just wait for him. That's good. That's much better. As soon as you see it happening, just come to a gentle stop. And that way you're in charge of what's going on, and reasonably you're aware of what could possibly go wrong.
What happens in... Oh, there's another one. I'll stop here. Because he might need to be reversed later. Oh no, they're actually good drivers. They're not me who need all the space.
That's supposed to be a good cafe, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that one there.
What's the name?
I don't know the name.
No.
I think I know actually who owns that cafe. That's supposed to be pretty nice. They've got some nice cakes in there.
You must have
last
people
week.
who you know everywhere.
Do you not think it's a good job to be in?
Yeah, and then you can, oh hi, or was my best favorite thing.
Yeah.
Let's give you a free coffee.
At the end of the road,
pastry.
turn right. It's a one-way.
They parked. He's not pulling out.
Should be signalling already. Okay, I'm going to give you my critique there, okay?
Yeah.
You came to the junction nice. You turned right very well. What's the speed of it? The only thing you didn't do was look at anybody turning left.
Okay.
Who is that? Who am I referring to?
On my left, they could pull out on the right. Is that right?
Yeah, so from your left, the road opposite your car, people could turn left from that road to come into this lane before you turn right into this lane. It's the only people you weren't looking for.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I need to.
So let's take the next road on the right. Let's go back and for 1 second pause with your observations, okay? You can't afford to get it wrong for a test.
Yeah. Don't want that.
Office clinic is for sale. Wow, that must be a good 1 million. I want you to follow the road ahead, and I want you now to find a safe place to pull up on the left in one of the parking bays that you can get the car in. If you can't, continue following the road down, but when you do, park it in a bay. It'll be difficult in early morning, I understand that.
Yeah.
But if you can find a safe place to park, fine. If not, continue following the road down and then make the right turn. If you can find a space, I want you to bring the car in. You won't be able to get back out.
Might be able to reverse the white car.
Nope, he's blocking the road. It's a taxi. He's parked on the junction. Even he's reversing. There's no problem, follow the road down. If it's in space, then it's in space.
What's happening behind the blue car? There's yellow line. Oh, the blue car is pulling up, but is he on the line? Okay, I will just follow.
Yeah, just follow the road down. At the end of the road, turn right.
Someone coming. So is that there?
It's where that lady is
okay.
there. So you need to look left, you need to look at where this lady is over here, and then turn right when it's safe. He's letting you go, make sure nobody's coming, then go when you're ready. That's fine. You don't need to say thank you while you're turning.
Yeah.
Do it when you've turned, when you're in control, rather than saying thank you while you're turning, because ideally you want to keep both hands on the wheel to finish steering.
Okay.
However, it's polite, it's good, it's courteous, it's nice. But try and avoid doing it while you're steering or while you need to steer.
Safety first.
Yes.